Sunita Williams, an Indian-origin astronaut with nerves of steel and a heart full of dreams, embarked on her most daring mission yet, an extended stay aboard the International Space Station, ISS. From the moment she boarded the spaceship, flanked by her equally dedicated crew members, she knew they were part of something extraordinary. As their spacecraft left Earth's atmosphere, Sunita's heart skipped a beat. The blue planet she called home grew smaller, but more stunning with each passing second. Once docked at the ISS, Sunita quickly settled into the routine of zero-gravity life. Every movement was an elegant dance, every task a test of adaptation. Her days were filled with scientific experiments, ensuring the station's systems operated flawlessly, and engaging in continuous communications with mission control. Yet, amidst the structured routines were moments that left Sunita in awe. The first time she looked out of the observation deck, known as the cupola, she was left breathless. Through its windows, she saw the Earth, all its continents, oceans, and weather systems, gliding serenely below. The dance of sunrise and sunset, happening every 45 minutes, painted the planet in hues she had never seen before. However, living in space was not without its challenges. Sunita faced physical hardships. Her muscles ached from the constant adjustment to zero gravity. The isolation from her family weighed on her mentally, but her resolve only grew stronger with each passing day. The team faced an unexpected crisis when a meteor shower damaged one of the solar panels. The power supply to parts of the station became unstable, endangering several ongoing experiments. Sunita, known for her calm demeanor under stress, volunteered for the spacewalk to repair the damage. Clad in her spacesuit, the stars her only witnesses, she worked meticulously amidst the backdrop of the vast, infinite universe. Her successful repair of the solar panel was celebrated both on the ISS and back on Earth. Her bravery not only saved the mission but also solidified her legacy as a hero. As her mission neared its end, Sunita stood once more by the cupola, reflecting on her journey. She thought about the millions of people following her mission, about her family, and most of all, about the boundless potential of human endeavor. When she finally returned to Earth, she was greeted as a pioneer, a symbol of courage and perseverance. Sunita Williams had seen the edge of the universe and returned with an unshakable belief in the capabilities of humankind.